Politics is an interesting game with a lot of surprises. Professor Welshman Ncube, who leads a faction of the Citizen Coalition for Change, has dragged Chabangu to the High Court after he wrote to the Speaker of Parliament removing a few parliamentarians from opposition he had appointed to earlier. Sanapana mashuka mudanyogo panapa tiona kuti ava vakomana panguva ino apa vachanzwanani mu Citizen Coalition for Change omwe notiwa subscribe like on the bell icon. Timida naongona muchinzi addressing a press conference earlier in the year to announce himself as the acting president of the CCC. Professor Ncube acknowledged Chabangu as the recognized signatory by the courts, parliament, and the government institutions. He went on to say that Chabangu was one of them and they would work with him. Now the CCC faction led by Professor Ncube accepted Chabangu self-appointed to Senate. Self-appointment as the opposition leader in parliament. Self-appointment as the leader of the CCC in the Senate. Self-appointment as a member of the Parliament Standing Rules and Orders Committee. Self-appointment as a member of the Inter-Parliamentary Union IPU delegation. Appointment of the Honorable Linet Katimkore as the leader of the opposition in parliament. Opposition of Honorable Edwin Mushuriwa as chief whip in the National Assembly and many other appointments that he made. Why are they worried when Chabangu reshuffles what he appointed and promises to recall those members of the parliament and the senator who do not bend to his whims? Many people have accused Professor Ncube of being a ZANU-PF plant within the opposition, but I beg to differ. My assessment of Professor Ncube is that he is not a political leadership material. He is politically blind. He does not scan the political environment to determine what to do or say when it matters most. In this instance, he accepted the powers of bestowed on Chabangu by ZANU-PF. He thought he could tame Chabangu, but now it's blowing on his face. Tomashuka varikuona panapo Chabangu aiwa osha panapa achigarisa Ncube mutishi. Ncube arikachizorwa achinzi aiwa haasitombori the leadership type kana kuti mukomana politics yasipoza haazivi zvaanoita. Tudze mafungiro enyu motikudipa pamusoro chechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.